Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today we've got a product from Atom Elements. This is the iKlips flash drive with lightning connector. We happen to have the 16GB version. They do versions all the way up to 256 gigabytes. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing on this guy and show you the specs on everything. You can pick this guy up on Amazon for $59. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check that out. And let's get into this. Some of the main features on here obviously are it's dual plug, so you've got a lightning connector on one side for your Apple devices, and you've got under this cap you've got a USB 3.0 connector so that you can easily transfer files to and from your Apple devices, and you can also transfer or play music, stream music directly from this, or video directly from this through the included app that comes with it. You can go to the App Store and look for iKlips, and you can just download the app. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything to grab the app, and it works really well as far as file backups and video playback, and basically it's kind of like a drag and drop from your PC to this guy when you're transferring files to it, and from it you can obviously use it with music. You can use it, there's a file manager built into it, the photo share, video playback again, so if you want to load up a movie on here, you can play it back directly on your iPad or your iPhone without taking up the space on your device. So that's actually really cool. Again, we have the 16GB version. There's also versions all the way up to, I believe there's a 32, a 64, a 128, and a 256 gigabyte version as well. This guy supports USB 3.0 underneath this cap here that will obviously give you that 5 gigabits per second transfer rate. So we're going to do an unboxing today, an initial report. Now, unfortunately, my iPad mini that I was going to use this on decided to die, so I don't have that to show you right now, but I will do a full unboxing and spec wise on this guy. Again, free universal iOS app for iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch, USB flash drive with integrated lightning connector, backup photos, videos from iOS devices to iKlips, move and copy files between iOS, a PC, and iKlips, music and movie player built into the app that will support MP3, WAV, MP4, MOV file formats, photo and document viewer in the app that will do PDF, text, doc, docx, XLS, XLSX, PPT, PPTX, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, GIF, and BMP. Full HD movie streaming, direct playback from iKlips, opens files directly on iKlips without copying to the iOS device. So again, you can actually play everything and view everything through the app right off of this guy. You will need the app, obviously. If you plug it in with the app, it's not going to work. So the app is kind of key there, but it's free and it's actually really well laid out. File management, copy, cut, paste, delete, rename, and create folders so that you can manage right from your device on this guy. USB 3.0 and backwards compatible, obviously, with USB 2.0. Safety and secure, since there's no internet access, your data is never sent through third-party servers, so you don't have to worry about storing or moving files back and forth from your device that are maybe financial related or anything like that. So they do have their website here. It's www.atomelements.com, so you can check them out if you'd like there. It is MFI certified, so you don't have to worry about it's coming up saying that's an unsupported device. You've got that there, so you're good to go. So let's open this up and we'll show you guys how what comes in the box, what the drive looks like, and then you guys can check the build quality on this, which we were really impressed on the build quality as well. The guys at Atom Elements did a really great job. If you take a look at the build quality on this, you're going to notice that they've mimicked this very closely to the finish that you'll get on most of your Apple devices. You've got an aluminum shell here with the Atom Elements logo here, and then this will tell you how many gigabytes you have. Now your formatted is going to be a little less than 16 gigabytes. That's just how memory works, and obviously if you guys are looking at this, you probably know that already, that you're not going to get a full 16 gigabytes. You're going to get somewhere in the 15 and change gigabytes realm because of the way that it formats. So again, a lightning connector here, as you see, to plug into your phone, and then as you remove this cap, you will have your USB 3.0 connector here. Very simple to just plug into your PC, load up what files you want, and then when you want to plug this guy into your Apple device, you plug it right in, and then iClips will automatically launch, and you can view either movies that you have loaded on this, or files, or transfer more files off of your iPhone or iPad onto this guy, or whatever you took off your PC onto that. So I mean, this is great for a phone that obviously doesn't have any expansive storage. If you have a 16 gigabyte version of your iPhone and you're running out of space, this will essentially double your space. This guy is super compact. It's got a nice clip on the back here, made out of metal, that has the Atom Elements iClips logo on it. A very, very, very nice design by them. They also give you a top cap here, as you can see, so that you can protect the lightning cable too. So as it's all said and done, you've got this guy in a very, very compact and attractive package here, and they did a great job on design. Now they also throw a little storage bag in here for you. It's got the Atom Elements logo on it. It's a very nice little storage bag that you can store this guy in, so that works out really great too. So they've done a great job at throwing in some extras for you. You've got your drawstring storage bag, you've got the caps that'll go over each of the connections. And again, if you want to look at the user manual here, we'll take a look real quick at the user manual. They've got a code to get it'll take you directly to the iClips app, so you can just use your iPhone or iPad and scan this code. It'll take you right to the store to get the app, and then you'll be good to go. And they have this in a few different languages, as you can see, about 7 or 8 different languages. We'll just go over the English part really quickly. You basically download and install iClips app from App Store to the iOS device, connect the iClips to the iOS device. iClips app will automatically launch when it detects the device, which is great. You can start using iClips to access and backup data on the iOS device. If you want to do the computer, it's basically connect the iClip through the 3.0 USB port to a PC or Mac, and PC or Mac will run iClips automatically. You can start using iClips to access and backup data on Mac. So it's pretty much plug and play. So you don't have to worry about do I need to search for something or whatever. I mean, it'll come up automatically. You'll be able to, again, access all of the documents listed here, the photos, music is MP3 and WAV, video is MP4 and MOV, just so that you know what the supported formats are for playback in the iClips app. And it does a great job at documents as well. As you can see, you've got a wide range from PowerPoint to Excel to Doc to just regular text and even PDFs, photos. It'll cover pretty much the main photo content that you would have, and then your music is going to be that MP3 and WAV. So if you've got FLAC files, that's going to be a problem for this, but most of us have MP3 and WAV files that we'll be working with. And video, again, AVI is not listed. We haven't tested it. We did test some MP4 and MOV files, and they were fine. Mostly MP4 files played excellent on this, and even when streaming to the device, we had no problems directly having this plugged into our iPad and actually streaming a movie with no hiccups, and everything looked great. So Atom Elements did a great job on this. Again, you can pick this up on Amazon through Xsource. I will have a link in the description. This was the Atom Elements 16 gigabyte iClips USB 3.0 adapter with lightning connector. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about this guy, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please like and subscribe, and we'll check you guys out on the next video.